Hi everyone, this is Coach Julio, and stay tuned. I'm going to discuss euphoric recall and snacking at night. And have you ever wondered why you wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning and reach for that peanut butter or cereal and you just can't help yourself? Well, stay tuned. I'm going to tell you the reason why and how to overcome it. Euphoric recall. So that's basically when your brain remembers a good feeling, and that can happen with emotions, any life event, and food. Before I go any further, if you can be nice enough and hit that subscribe button so you can get the latest and greatest videos. This may sound familiar. You wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning and you're sitting in the dark eating cereal. Well, maybe not in the dark. Maybe that was just me. So a perfect example, when we eat comfort foods, could be chocolate, cereal, a beverage, if we associated feeling good or with. So over a period of time, if you're eating the same food at the same time, your brain will crave it. So I'm just going to get a little bit technical here. There's a region in our brain called the hypothalamus. So there is always going to be a difference between being physically full and mentally satisfied. This is the part of the brain that sometimes does not have an off switch for the mentally satisfied part. And then the next thing you know is like, why am I not losing weight? This could be one of the reasons why you're not losing weight. And here's a couple of tips. So instead of reaching for that peanut butter or cereal, I would suggest the following. First thing is to remember that there's a learning curve and it's a process. Let's eliminate the obvious. Maybe it's better that you do not have it in the household. If you're not there yet and you need to have it in the home, maybe you have kids or you have roommates, then try this. Try to drink water before eating it. Maybe 16 ounces of water, throw in some vegetables, protein, something that does not spike your insulin as high as something that's sugar related. Keep trying this. Definitely drinking water before you eat whatever comfort food you eat late at night, and I guarantee that you're slowly but surely going to start to change the habit. And I want to end this short video by saying, don't give up on your goals.